money or your life. Isn't him in trouble? It's alright now. In fact, it's a gas. It's alright. A jumping jack flash. It's a gas, gas, gas.
Never seen it backed up here. Usually just straight through.
The sun sings slowly in the west. It's the island of Lulu. Spelled backwards. Ulu.
Never seen that screen before.
Replaced it all, and I stood tall and did it
Can we please cut the cheesy roulette wheel sound effects? Man, is it cheesy with that little show together? Oh, hi. I have a little announcement to make. There's a bit of a problem. Actually, it's a big problem here in the old Light 100.5. See, the former boss, Joel, he had a guy who told him to beat him up in Texas Hold'em at the Suncoast last night. And, well, he sucks at poker. So he lost the station. Yep, he lost it. The whole station to a guy named Jack. Real sharp. Anyway, he came over here to the station when he woke up about an hour ago, and he says, I don't care what we play. Let's just play what we want. So we're not stupid. The boss has his opinion. Even listen as long as you hear one simple rule. Don't tell us what to play. So review. We play what we want. Don't tell us what to play. This should make it incredibly easy for you to listen. And I just happen to have a free sample.
Oh, look, it's windy over there.
The best things in life are free. And you can give them to the birds and bees. I want your money.
100.5 Jack FM.